So today I'll be showing you how to use what if parameter in Power BI. So one of the recent updates, Power BI has updated the parameters. Before this, it used to be only numerical, but now we have text-based parameter also. But today we'll be looking only on the numerical parameters that we have. So here we can see here. There are two visualizations, and at the top we have this select the top whichever movies we want to look at. So as you can see here, we have selected 25 top movies and the visualization is getting filtered for the same. Here we are getting only the top 25 one, and here for the top 25 one there is a this particular icon is coming up with green circle, and the rest of them have this gray circle. So today we'll be replicating the same. So this is the data set that we have. We have rank, film, whatever sales that particular film has done, and so I have created few of the parameters, few of the measures from earlier itself. So I'll be showing them. So the first one is the worldwide sales. So since we'll be needing this sales measure in the going forward when we create the top 20 or top 10 movies measure, so we'll be needing this sales measure there. The column calculated value will not work. So here I have created a simple sales measure sum of the worldwide gross. So that is the worldwide sales value. Now firstly we'll create the parameter. So yeah, here in the modeling we have new parameter. As told, earlier we used to have only numeric range parameter, but now we have this fields parameter as well. So firstly, if we want to filter some of the, for example, there are few countries and we want to filter it and show for a particular country, or we want to show a tile which has number of countries, we have to use this filter. It is somewhere here, but now we can use this fields parameter as well. So this is a new update. Currently we'll be using only the numeric range, so we'll name it as what if, and it will be going till maximum is 20 and minimum is 0. Increment will be from by 1 and the maximum will be 20. So I'll add this slicer to the page as well. So we can see we'll find this slicer here, what if, and currently there is no value. Now you can see as we increase, so minimum value is 0, maximum value is 50. So now going forward, we have, as I showed here we have two bars, two visualizations. So here we need to create a measure which will give us top n movies. So I have created this beforehand only. So here firstly I'll explain how I have done this. So we have this, as you can see here in the what if, we have two. One is what if value, and then what is that particular number. So in this particular measure, firstly we'll from this what if we'll see what is the selected value. Whatever value we are selecting in this top filter here, this particular selected value filter will give us this value. So from this selected top, for example, I have selected 20, so this one will give me 20. Now using this switch, if the selected top is 0, if that is I have not selected anything, then it will give me all the sales for all the movies. Otherwise, now here I'm using rankx function. So now if for all the selected films, if the rank is below the selected top, then give me the sales of those films itself. So this is the measure. Now we'll go ahead and create the bar chart. So here we'll be using stack bar, the films, and this one. So now you can see if I will select only 4, so it will give me 4 movies only with the sales. Yes. So now coming to this second table that we have here. So I'll use this, and here we'll be using film and whatever the sales it has done. And also here we had icon green or gray. For example, we have 4. So all the top 4 movies should be only green, and otherwise the rest of them should be gray. So for this we have to create another indicator measure. So it's very similar to the first one, only we have a like minor change here. So everything is same from the top. We have firstly we have to see what is the selected value, and then using switch, if the rank is less than or equal to this particular selected value, then it will give us 1, otherwise it will give us 0. So using this here, you can see for all the top 4 it is giving 1, and for other it is giving 0. So now we'll conditionally format this only. So going here and going to this icons, if we'll use it number, if it is 1, then we want this green circle, and if it's 0, then we want this gray one, and we want left. So let's see. Icon only, and yeah, now we can see the numbers are gone and we have only the icon. So now if for example I want to select top 7 movies, so here we'll get 7, and we'll get this here the indicator will be for the 7 movies, and the rest of them will be gray. So this was all I had.